Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0134 indicates an issue with the air-fuel ratio AF Sensor 1 heater system in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. The AF sensor is crucial for measuring the air-fuel mixture entering the engine, which helps the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) optimize fuel efficiency and emissions. When the heater in this sensor fails to activate or shows high internal resistance, the PCM identifies this as an abnormality and stores the P0134 code. Understanding this error code is vital for maintaining engine performance and complying with emissions standards. This diagnostic guide will help technicians systematically identify and repair the underlying issues leading to the P0134 code. The DTC P0134 points to a malfunction within the AF Sensor 1's heater system, which is designed to maintain the sensor's optimum operating temperature for accurate air-fuel ratio readings. This sensor is typically situated in the exhaust stream before the catalytic converter, allowing it to measure the unburned oxygen in the exhaust gases. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, continuously monitors the AF sensor to adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing, ensuring efficient engine performance and low emissions. If the heater element within the AF sensor does not activate correctly, or if there is high resistance, the PCM will flag this as an issue requiring diagnosis and repair. Therefore, it is essential to address these failures promptly, as they can affect overall vehicle operation. There are several potential causes for the P0134 DTC, with the most common being a faulty AF Sensor 1 itself. Over time, sensors can degrade due to extreme temperatures and chemical exposure, leading to failure in the heating element. Additionally, damaged wiring or corroded connectors can impact communication between the AF sensor and the PCM, resulting in incorrect readings or system errors. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning PCM, which may inaccurately interpret the sensor's data. It's crucial to assess all these factors during the troubleshooting process to provide a comprehensive resolution. By systematically eliminating each cause, technicians can accurately pinpoint the source of the problem. The symptoms associated with DTC P0134 typically manifest as a variety of performance issues. One of the first indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, signaling that there is a problem that requires attention. Drivers may also notice a decrease in fuel economy, as the engine management system struggles to optimize the air-fuel mixture, leading to inefficient combustion. Additionally, rough idling may occur due to erratic readings from the faulty AFAC sensor, affecting engine performance and stability. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further damage and maintain vehicle reliability. Therefore, any of these signs warrant a thorough diagnostic process to validate the DTC and implement necessary repairs. The first step in troubleshooting the P0134 DTC involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle without any load for at least 1 minute. This preliminary test helps establish a baseline for the AF sensor's operation and allows the PCM to assess the heater system under normal conditions. It's essential to ensure that the vehicle is stationary, either in park or neutral, to avoid any external factors that could impact the test results. During this idling period, the PCM will evaluate the performance of the AF sensor and monitor the heater's function. If the system recognizes a fault during this time, it will log any parameters that could lead to the P0134 code. Accurate execution of this step is vital for informed diagnostic decisions moving forward. The second troubleshooting step, the VS, Voltage Signal Open Wire Inspection, requires careful examination of external circuits associated with the AF sensor. Before disconnecting any components, jump the SCS, Shop Mode Communication System, line using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and allow for a waiting period of over 1 minute. Disconnect both the AF Sensor 1 connector and the PCM, Powertrain Control Module connector, to proceed with the inspection. Focus on checking the female terminals in both connectors for continuity and ensuring there is less than 1 ohm of resistance. If the readings are not within this range, it indicates an issue with the circuit, which could be causing the P0134 DTC. Documenting your findings will be essential for troubleshooting moving past this step. In the third troubleshooting step, inspect the function of the PCM following the completion of the prior steps. Before starting this step, ensure that the AF Sensor 1 connector is still disconnected. The next action involves checking the unit output voltage of the PCM while the engine is running. This is crucial as it provides insight into whether the PCM is sending out proper signals to the AF sensor. The expected voltage should be approximately 0.2 volts or greater when the engine is operating. If the voltage falls short of this specification, it points to a malfunctioning PCM, which may require replacement or reprogramming. Accurate findings in this step will guide the next actions needed for resolution. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the AF Sensor 1 itself, particularly if previous inspections indicated that both the external circuit and PCM were functioning normally. Before commencing this step, ensure no other component failures have been identified. At this stage, conduct a thorough inspection of the AF sensor to determine if it is the culprit behind the P0134 code. Common checks include verifying the condition of the sensor's connector and ensuring that the heater element is functional. If other components are operating as intended, it becomes apparent that the AF Sensor 1 may indeed be faulty and require replacement. Accurate diagnostics through this step are crucial to confirm the source of the problem. After completing the necessary repairs, it's essential to perform a final repair verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Start by clearing the DTC from the PCM using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This will reset the system and allow you to monitor any new fault codes that may arise. Following this, conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various driving conditions to verify that the issue has been resolved and that no new trouble codes are generated. Pay attention to the performance of the engine, checking for stability and efficiency. Successful completion of this step validates that the troubleshooting process has effectively resolved the P0134 code and restores normal vehicle operation. To prevent recurrence of the P0134 code, it's essential to integrate preventive maintenance practices into your vehicle care routine. Start by regularly inspecting wiring harnesses and connectors associated with the AF sensor to ensure there is no physical damage or corrosion. Proper care of these components can greatly extend their lifespan and reduce the chances of future malfunctions. Additionally, incorporate periodic checks of the air-fuel ratio sensors, which can include both visual inspections and electronic testing. Following the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for these inspections will help preserve the overall health of the engine management system. Implementing these maintenance tips will enhance vehicle reliability and performance. In conclusion, understanding and effectively troubleshooting the P0134 DTC is vital for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. The AF Sensor 1 plays a significant role in the operation of the engine, and any malfunctions can lead to increased emissions and poor fuel economy. Regular diagnostics not only identify existing issues, but also help prevent future complications. By following systematic troubleshooting steps, including inspections of the wiring, PCM, and ultimately the AF sensor, technicians can accurately pinpoint problems and implement timely repairs. Additionally, effective preventive maintenance measures are necessary to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Adopting these practices will aid in sustaining the integrity of the Honda Accord and delivering a more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.